Hello everyone, welcome back to your own channel Daily Commodity. So today's topic is related to option trading. In today's video, we are going to discuss about what is option, what is call option, put option, what is call buyer and call seller, what is put buyer and put seller, what is underlying price, what is strike price and what is premium. So let me remind you, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the notifications and updates from Daily Commodity. So let us begin. What is option? Option is a contract which gives the buyer the right but not an obligation. That means it's not like a duty or a commitment to buy or sell an underlying asset or an instrument at a specified strike price prior to or on a specified date, which basically depends on different form of option. Currently the commodity available for the options are gold, silver, zinc, crude oil and copper. To know everything better, that is underlying price, strike price and premium, I request you to watch the video till the end. So now let us talk about what is call and put option. Call option. Call option is simply known as call, which is a contract between the buyer and seller of the call option to the set price. It gives the buyer the right to buy the underlying commodity future at a fixed price, strike price, on the date of the expiry of the contract. The second is put option. A commodity put option gives the owner the right to sell the underlying commodity future at a preset price once the contract expires on a fixed date. Unlike a call option, a put option is typically a bearish bet on the market, meaning that it profits when the price of the underlying security goes down. Option trading is not limited to just stock, but you can also buy and sell the put options on the variety of the security, which also includes the commodity. So now let us discuss what is call buyer and call seller. Call buyer. It refers to buyer called, which is an agreement between the buyer and seller where the purchase of the commodity at a specific price for the future contract at the same grade and the quantity is mentioned. The buyer of the call option seeks to make a profit if and when the price of the underlying asset increases to a price higher than the option strike price. What is call seller? It is an instrument which gives right to the buyer but not the obligation to purchase the asset underlying the call option at a preset price on a future date. The seller of the call option hopes that the price of the asset will decline or at least never rise as high as the option strike. So now let us know what is put buyer and put seller. Put buyer. Put options are type of an option that increase in value as the price falls. Put buyer pays money known as premium for which they have right but not the obligation to sell an underlying asset at a specific price for a limited amount of time. The put buyer wants price to go down. Put seller receives money known as premium in exchange for granting the right to sell to put buyer. A put option seller is a short the put to purchase the underlying asset when the put owner exercise their right to sell that a strike price. A put increase in the value if the price of the underlying commodity falls. So now let us know what is underlying price. Underlying price is nothing but a spot price of the underlying asset of a derivative. The difference between the underlying price and the strike price greatly influence the value of the derivative. So now let us know what is strike price. Strike price of an option is the fixed price at which the owner of the option can buy and sell the underlying security or commodity. A strike price is a set price at which a derivative where a derivative contract can be bought and sold when it is exercised for the call option holder. For the put option, the strike price is the price at which the security can be sold. The strike price, also known as the exercise price, is the most important determinant of the option value. So now let us know what is premium. Premium occurs when the commodity future price is more than the spot price of that commodity. It is the income received by the seller, who is also known as the writer of the option contract, to the another party. This shows bullish trend in that the commodity and premium amount, if annualized, shows at the end of the contract that will be likely contract price. So if you like the video, please do like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you.